issue is number one, we got our last meeting thing confirmed. Hand cards, there are some 88 which came before us. We deliberated on the issue. The actual hand cards original are only 60. Then you all have heard the commissioner who said that in the past certain corporators and certain commissioners have violated their act and cut and paste on certain things, and they put new names of gadas. It went to the Vigilance Department. Vigilance Department as usual is sitting tight. I don't know under whose ministry the Vigilance Department come, but on Monday I will sit with my commissioner. I will officially write to the Vigilance Department, and if the Vigilance Department don't act, then that files of Vigilance Department and the officers concerned I will send to the Lok Ayud to find out why the Vigilance Department is not acting. Because somebody has to be on the top of the head of the Vigilance Department. Every case which goes to the Vigilance Department, under pressure, it is kept under the carpet, those files. If the Vigilance Department, I want to make it loud and clear, if the Vigilance Department does not act on the complaint of the CCP which is sent to me all these years, I will send those files along with the name of the vigilance officers to the Lok Ayud.
Time limit?
Yeah, Baba, just, no. This is government, no? And I can tell the Lok Ayud, give me within 2 days.
No, not like that. If the Vigilance Department is not...
I will sit with the commissioner, Monday I will write to them. And the Vigilance Department by evening will see on your channels, and tomorrow morning will see on the papers what Surendra Prasad means. It was in 2010, 2011, 2012, it even came up in the assembly.
2010?
Yes. These scams of even, I just can't explain to you, I am dumbfounded, I can't explain to you that even these gadas, they were scams. They were cut and paste signatures of the commissioners. Mr. Sanjit Rodriguez has also told you that his signatures were cut and paste by certain corporators. I am ashamed to tell that in the capital city, ex-corporators, I am ashamed to say that Panjim being the capital city, that such things are happening. I don't think even in the villages this will be happening. I am really amazed and dazed to know that such things are happening. Enough is enough. This team will clear up everything. I want to make it loud and clear. Yes. In one name there are 4 gadas. Who has given everything will be seen. I am making it very clear, if the Vigilance Department doesn't do it in a month, I will involve the vigilance officers and those files with the Lok Ayud. I want to make it very clear to the government of Goa also that I mean business. Gotala there is. For even if you want a ferry ते येतात ते थंय घोटाळे जाताले. हांव नको कशें जाता ते पणजे शहरान. But at least when I am there, I want to stop all this thing. Next. Moving with the tourism department. Tourism department was in charge of cleaning of the Miramar beach for a couple of years. Tourism department is to give contract to certain contractors to clean the Miramar beach. Those contractors is to remove it and keep it in the road, and we have to collect it. When we brought to the notice of tourism department, they have discontinued the contract and they have told that let CCP do the cleaning. We will give all 88,000 and some rupees every month. For that the MOU has to be signed, and for that the corporation city of Panjim has to give authorized to commissioner to sign that thing, for which we have cleared it today. Then the commissioner has said that manually is not possible to clean the entire beach. He said that there are certain machineries which are available, imported machineries to clean. So I said, you find out which is the machinery, what is the rate. We will ask the tourism department to give us the machinery. Then it will be our responsibility to get the Miramar beach clean. And I will tell you, Miramar beach is 90% cleaner than any of the beaches in whole of Goa, except for Karanjale area. That thing which comes across the shore during the monsoon, like plastics and woods and shoes and thermocols, except that corner of Miramar beach, otherwise Miramar is clean enough.
Spillage of oil. Oil coming.
And there is a spillage of oil from the oil tankers, big oil tankers coming from different countries. They release it in the sea, then that is the reason you get the oil balls. But it's not that serious compared to Kolva and other places.
Tourism department went to the CCB 88.
Tourism department, you must write probably because sometimes you make mistakes in your report. Tourism department is going to give us 88,000 and something odd money every month for cleaning of the beach.
From when?
Tourism department allows to do.
And we have started already. So we have already started, but we have to sign an MOU because once you sign the MOU, they'll give the money, no? And I will tell you, the director of tourism is very, very helpful. Anytime we ask him anything, he is there to help us. Very good officer.
About the hand carts you are talking about, how many are going to remove first now?
Only 60 out of 88, only 60 Gadas, original Gadas will be kept. The rest, a three-member team will inquire into the forgery being done.